Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video, we talked about the left corner section at the main house, and in this video, we're going to be talking about the right corner section of the main house. So for this right corner segment, as with any cable run, we took a look at our corner post and end post and wanted to see if we could access the backside of them, which we could. So in turn, we used all through post components, and specifically, we used low profile end stops at our end post, and at our corner post, we used through post swage stud assemblies, which are stacked on top of one another using our 3/16 offset method. So the reason that we use low profile stops as our end stops is because they're low profile and you really can't see them that well whenever you're walking down the deck, whether it's across the bridge to the main house or if it's coming from the very right portion of the deck, walking back around the corner. You're not gonna see a big bulky end stop component sticking out on the back side of the post, and it's really gonna give you a nice and clean look that everybody seems to enjoy. So for the tensioning fitting that went on the opposite end of our low profile stop, we used a through post component, which is our swage stud assembly. Now the other segment of this cable run is kind of the same setup. We went with a swage stud assembly at the same corner post that we had for our other segment. So that means that we used a 3/16 offset method. Basically the components are somewhat stacked on top of one another. You can't really notice it from the outside of the post, and it's a really easy method to do for through post components. So now that we're done wrapping up the right corner segment of our deck, the next video in our series is going to be the far right portion of this deck, which is going to be our angled and transition portion.